and value of B
200.
200. After swap, same value is there. Why? Because we are using call by value. Whenever you use call by value, let's check the definition first of all, what it says. Call by value. There are two types of functions available into C programming. First one is call by value. Second one is call by reference. First one, call by value. The call by value method of passing arguments. Now, what is arguments? In this program, if you see, these are the arguments. These are what? Arguments. How many arguments are there?
2.
2. There are 2 arguments. Passing argument to a function copies the actual value of an argument into the formal parameter of the function. Like in this program, we have created one function. This is a function. Name of my function is swap. We have written void because it will return nothing. See, we have written return, but there is nothing. Fine. In this program, we have 2 arguments, x and y. And I have taken one variable called temp, which is a type of
Variable.
which is a type of fine. What we are doing here, there is a one variable called temp, and in temp variable we have nothing. We have nothing. Now let's take an example. This is called by value. Okay. Now let's suppose I am having a variable temp, and I am having a variable x, and I am having a variable y. Now in x variable I am having 100, in y 200. What I want, when I run my program, this 200 should be here and 100 should be here. Swapping. This is called swapping. When we change the value of one variable and saved it into another, and that variable value saved into another variable. That is called swapping. So this thing I want to perform. How to swap the value? The logic is, we have to put x into temp. So what we'll do, we'll write temp is equal to x. Temp is equal to x. Now x is blank because 100 is here now. There is nothing in x. What we'll do, x is equal to y. Means y value comes into x. So again, what will you write here? Temp. So 100. See, this is called swapping. This is the logic we are using. So actual thing, what is there? There is a x, there is a y, and there is a temp. Understood? Samsudin? Okay. This is the initial part. Okay. Now what we will do, I want to interchange the value. I want 200 here and 100 here. Swapping. Like if I want to swap you, Amal will come here and you will go there. This is called swapping. So same thing I want to perform here. So to perform swapping, I need a third party variable. I need a variable which I will use to swap the values. Okay? Now, I'll write temp is equal to x. So in x we have 100. So 100 will come into 10. Another. So there is nothing into x now. X is blank now because 100 is available into 10. I will write y. So now y having a 200 and 200 comes into x. So now there is nothing into y. Y is empty. So 100 is available into 10. So we'll write 10. So like this we are swapping the value. Amal, got it? Mohammed? Fine. So this is the logic which we are using here. See. Okay? So like this we are using this function. So function is called swap. Now let's come to the another part. Now your program is starting from here. Starting from here. So normally we use this library. Now before using main, I have written this function. And this function is only having a declaration. Means there is nothing into this function. There is nothing into this function. This function definition available here. This is the definition for this function. Now in main I have two variables. I have two variables. Now I printed printf normal. These two statements are normal, which we always use. Fine. So I have written A means it will print 100. I have written B, it will print 200. Now I am calling that function again, swap. But in that function I have x and y. I have x and y. And I have written A and B. That means that 100 and 200 comes under this swap. So whenever you run this program, so it will swap the value. But this call by value will not be able to change these arguments. In C programming, whenever you write this type of program to swap the values with the function call by value, it will not able to store that it will not able to swap the value availables into arguments. So these values will remain same. These values will remain same in call by value. So this is what you have to understand. By default, C programming using call by value. By default, C programming is using call by value function to pass arguments. Like we are passing the arguments A and B. In general, it means the code within a function cannot alter. Means code within a function cannot alter. We cannot change the argument used to call the function. That's why you are getting before 100, 200 and after also 100 and 200, same value. This is just because of call by value function available into C programming. You will not be able to change any argument or you will not be able to change any function definition with the help of call by value. But when you will write call by reference, in call by reference will be able to swap value. So this is a call by reference. When I will run this program, the output is, first is A is 100, B is 200. Now this is swapping. A is 200, B is 100. This is swapping. This thing is possible with the help of only call by reference. But if you will use call by value, swapping will not be done. Just because of in call by value there is no that functionality so that we can change or alter the function. Is it clear? So what you have to do, write this program. This program is similar to call by value, but there is a pointer. Only we have to use pointer. All the things are same. All the things are same. Only you have to use address and you have to use pointers. That's it. Other all program is same. Okay? So write this program. Okay, before writing this program, let's see the definition for this. Let's see the definition. Call by reference method of passing argument to a function copied the address of an argument into the formal. See, it will copy the address. It will copy the address, not value. In this, we are copying the value, but we are not able to copy the value. But in this, we are copying the address, and that is possible into C programming. Okay, so let's see what it means. The change made to the parameter affect the passed argument. So we will be able to affect that function by passing the argument or changing the argument. To pass a value by reference, argument pointer are passed. See, we have to use pointers are passed to the function just like any other value. So whatever address you will copy, like I will copy the address of y variable. Y is having 200. So I will copy that address from y and I paste that address into x. So x is having 200 and y is empty. So I will copy that temp variable into y, and temp is having 100. So like this we are copying the address and we are swapping the value. Clear? So now write this program. Okay, before writing this program, understand this program from your screen. From your screen, try to understand this program once again. Read it. Read the concept, what we have done. We can copy the address, but we cannot copy the value. Okay. Like you can say, what we can say. Okay, that is an objective type paper. Okay, objective type means you will be having one question and 4 different options for that, and you have to take the answer. That's it. No need to write anything, no need to write any program. You have to just answer the question.
So we have to change the answer if we're not sure.
Yes, you can change the answer if you are not sure. You can go to next, you can go to previous. On any question you can go forward and backward.
The timing of the test.
And timing of your test is 1 hour for 20 questions. So that's more than enough.
Translator, sir.
Give me your phone.
Tinawag niya kay Bea.
Translator will not be there.
So I can use Google Translator on phone.
Yes, you can use. You can use translator. Okay.
Magkakadayaan.
Anything else?
Sir, the questions will be from the practical or from inside?
Magkakadayaan na naman eh.
From book only.
Gusto mo talaga ikaw ba should it be online?
10 questions
Then we have
from
access to
first
Chrome.
book, 10 questions from this book.
Pag may mobile. Oh.
Okay? 10 questions will be there.
Pero meron ano eh. Proctor eh. Di mo naman makikita niya yung mobile niya. Kung may tanong nga dito, pwede ako
Tanong natin mamaya pag-alis pag-out. Shouldn't everything will be confiscated because there's a risk on cheating on the exam? Diba? So that's